Flat feet is a structural deformity resulting in the lowering arch of the foot. This is sometimes referred to as fallen arches or pronotion of the feet. A person with a flat foot needs assessment to determine whether they are at risk for long-term complications. People with flat feet may have ankle, knee, or lower back pain. Flat feet due to injury, disease, or normal aging are not preventable. In some cases, flat feet are caused by a physical abnormality, such as tarsal collision, two or more bones in the foot that have grown together, or accessory navicular, an extra bone along the side of the foot. The effects of disease such as diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis can lead to flat feet. The solution that I will recommend is the biomechanical shoes. This biomechanical footbed, which has a medium density, not too soft and not too hard, just perfect. And also we have the comforter footwear, which designed with arch support. And also we have a comforter sandals for kids, which is built with adjustable velcro and good comfort while walking. And we have also the comforter sandals for adults. It is attached with a rubber outsole to provide anti-slip features. Or you can use this arch support orthotics. It is designed in a full size to fit sport shoes and wide shape footwear to provide a comfortable and supportive walking experience. And last is the arch support orthotics in half, which is designed to fit narrow shaped footwear to provide a comfortable movement on the toe areas.